Also to support the motion of thanks that has been moved by Honorable Member Sotun. Sir, due to paucity of time, I cannot touch each and every department, otherwise I would love to do so. But I want to select few departments which I want to participate in this governor's address. And before I do that, I must thank the governor for delivering his address amid his limitation, which we expect from him, but he has done his best to deliver his speech. Sir, I want to start with the CNRD block. I must thank the government, MDA government, that we have created many blocks, new blocks, in the entire state of Meghalaya.
Pius Marwein to take the floor, please.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, and I also rise to support the motions of thanks to the Honorable Governor for his address to this House. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to congratulate the MDA for all the good works. Sir, I would like to request the government during this term to create one more block in Southwest Khas Hills district, and I support the request for another block raised by the